Let's talk about this variety pack of LMNT. There are 4 different flavors: citrus salt, watermelon salt, orange salt, and raspberry salt. The first 3 are my favorite, but my husband actually loves the raspberry. I personally have not been able to drink anything with stevia leaf extract in it until this. This is the only drink that I can drink with that ingredient in it. In one packet, there's 100 milligrams of sodium, 200 milligrams of potassium, and 60 milligrams of magnesium, which is wonderful. I start my day off with these every day. So I drink 1 pack a day, and I fill up a 40-ounce tumbler with ice, and I do half a pack in that. And then later in the day, I'll fill it up again and use the rest of the half of the pack. You may like it a little bit stronger, which means you want less water. Something I love about these is that they dissolve super easily. So I have a cup of water here. This is the watermelon flavor. And then honestly, you just give it like a quick stir and you're good to go. There's no need to shake it or anything. I would recommend putting ice in this. I can only drink it when it's cold, but then again, my husband can drink it just like this. So I guess everybody's different. My kids play sports, so this is the alternative to the sports drinks. I just put this in their water bottle and they're good to go. I hope you found this review helpful.